Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Rosalina Salvira with name 2502100319. Here I will introduce a dance from my area, namely the Sekapur Sirih dance. Okay, here I will show a training video for the Sekapur Sirih dance. History of Sekapur Sirih dance Bengkulu. Number 1, rooted from the Malay welcoming tradition. Next, we immediately see the Kapur Sirih battle dance. Have fun watching and listening to the history of the Sekapur Sirih. Sekapur Sirih dance comes from Malay cultural traditions on the coast of Sumatra, including Bengkulu. In a Malay custom, Sekapur Sirih is a symbol of respect and acceptance of guests. Betel leaves, betel nut, chalk, and gambir are served as a sign of friendship and respect to the grand guests. These traditions later developed into an official welcome dance. Number 2, developed during the Sultan and colonial period. During the Sultan in the coastal area of Sumatra before the 19 years old country, important guest welcoming rituals were traditionally carried out during the British and Dutch colonial period in Bengkulu. This tradition was maintained and began to be staged in a more structured form with traditional music accompaniment. Number 3, official format into a welcome dance. Entering the 20 years old country, especially around 1950 to 1970. Bengkulu culturalists began to develop the Sekapur Sirih dance from as a traditional creation dance. The movement is made more organized and aesthetic. The customs are uniformized with headdresses, songket cloth, and Bengkulu's signature accessories. The main property, betel nut container and betel nut content, is maintained as a core symbol. This dance was then designed as the official welcome dance of Bengkulu Province for guests of honor, state official, and major regional events. Number 4, philosophical meaning. Sekapur Sirih dance is not only entertainment but contains meaning. Expressions of respect and sincere welcome, symbol of the hospitality of the Bengkulu people, a prayer for safety for guests welcome, hope for a good relationship between the host and the guests. Number 5, variations in various regions. Although famous in Bengkulu, Sekapur Sirih dance is also known in other regions such as Jambi and Riau, but each region has a different style, clothing, and musical accompaniment. Bengkulu maintains a softer and more elegant version with an emphasis on the welcoming symbol. Number 1, regional identity symbol. Sekapur Sirih dance is a cultural icon of Bengkulu. This dance becomes a regional characteristic that distinguishes Bengkulu from other provinces, thus strengthening the identity of the community. Number 2, preserving ancestral traditions and heritage. This dance comes from the traditions of welcoming guests using betel nut in the Bengkulu Malay custom. By continuing to stage, the community maintains the preservation of customs and ancestral values that have been passed down from generation to generation. Number 3, official welcome means. Sekapur Sirih dance is used to welcome guests of honor, official public figures, or state guests. This shows that the people of Bengkulu applaud manners and respect in their culture. Number 4, symbol of hospitality and warmth. This dance reflects The friendly, gentle, and friendly attitude of the Bengkulu people, this value is what I want to show to guests from outside the area. Number 5, strengthen social relationships. Third, the meaning of Betel not presentations. This dance carries a message of brotherhood, unity, and harmony. This a reminder relationship must be well maintained. Number 6, cultural education media. Sekapur Sirih dance is taught to the younger generation through schools and traditional activity. This is important so that they understand the cultural roots and feel that they have the heritage. Number 7, dance activation. As a typical dance, Sekapur Sirih also supports the promotion of Bengkulu tourists. This dance becomes a cultural attraction that attracts tourists to get to know Bengkulu more closely. Number 8, means of our expression. Sekapur Sirih dance is also a place for people to express artistic creativity, talk, movement, music, and traditional clothing.
Bengkulu Betel Nut Dance 1. Understanding. Sekapur Sirih dance is a dance to welcome honorary guests from Bengkulu province. This dance becomes a symbol of the hospitality of the Bengkulu people in receiving guests with full respect, sincerity, and friendship. To origin and background. This dance is rooted in the Malay tradition that lives strongly in Bengkulu, which is the tradition of serving betel nut to guests as a sign of respect. The tradition was then created into a dance so that it could be displayed in official, events, and traditional ceremonies. 3. Dance function. The main function of Sekapur Sirih dance is welcoming guests of honor state officials, traditional figures, official guests. A symbol of acceptance and respect from the Bengkulu people. The opening of traditional events or important ceremonies, such as inaugurations, cultural festivals, and official visits. 5. Dance movement. The movements are soft, graceful, and regular. Some typical movements in it. The movement of serving betel nut signifies respect to the guests. Stretching movement symbolizes cheerfulness and warmth. Prayer movement, an expression of respect and prayer. 6. Dancer and property, usually performed by female dancers, accompanied by several male dancers as bodyguards. Properties used: tepat betel, newt betel, nut container, fan or scarf in some versions, flowers or flowers for the closing of the dance. 7. Accompanying music. Accompanying music usually uses traditional Bengkulu musical instruments, such as drums, serunai, gongs. The rhythm is soft and slow, adjusting to the dance character. 8. Dancers' clothing. Dancers wearing traditional Bengkulu costumes. Baju kurung or kebaya typical of Malay. Bengkulu songkets crown orban. Bengkulu's signature necklaces, bracelets, and gold ornaments. Fashion colors are usually bright such as gold, red, or green. Cultural value and philosophy of Sekapur Sirih dance. 1. Hospitality value. This dance symbolizes the hospitality of the Bengkulu people in welcoming guests. The dancers' soft movements and smile reflect a warm attitude and sincere acceptance. To philosophy of respect and acceptance, giving tepuk betel is the highest symbol of respect in Malay customs. This shows that the guest is considered an important person who should be respected. 3. The value of friendship. Sirih from generation to generation has the meaning of brotherhood and friendship. Offering betel nut means opening a good relationship and maintaining harmony. For custom value and tradition, this dance preserves the Bengkulu Malay cultural heritage. It becomes a form of tradition preservation that has been passed down from generation to generation. 5. The philosophy of politeness and fineness of Budi. Her smooth and graceful dance moves reflect the polite, ethical, and gentle character of the community. 6. The value of togetherness, usually performed by several dancers with harmonious movements that depict compactness and togetherness in community life.
Okay, that's all I can say from my area, Sekapur Sirih Dance. Sorry if there are any mistakes. And here, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.